mucho macho. O si es macho menos. O en el pajarete con Armida y la Flaca.
¡Ay, raza chula! Ya estamos listísimos para hacer el macho menos del día de hoy y ver cómo va a reaccionar la mami de Alicia, una madre que no toquen a los hijos.
Ay, Dios mío, mamá gallo. Alicia, ¿tú crees que vaya a salir macha o macho menos?
Ay,
vamos con una macha.
Vamos a ver cómo sale Doña María.
Vámonos.
Ay, qué rico un chocolatito, Doña María. Hablando de...
Javier, tell me the plan on this RV. What are we doing?
Cut. You like that cut?
Yeah.
Cut. You're not rolling, right?
Yeah, rolling.
No, you're not. Cut.
I can cut it out later, but just go ahead. So tell me the plan on what we're doing on this RV.
I have no idea.
What do you think we're doing?
I, at the time, am removing decals.
Yeah?
The heat gun.
And then after you're done removing decals, what are we going to do?
I believe either they're going to paint the whole side white and restripe it, or it's going to be polished out, restripe it.
Good job. Great answer. Thank you, Javier. So as you can see on this wall, we painted the whole sidewall. We had issues in the back that had water damage, so we repaired the water damage, removed the wall, put new pylon on there, replaced the wall, and did those kind of repairs. Now you can see that we painted one side of this RV. You can see it's a high gloss finish. Very nice. Looks like a mirror. After we're done with that, we'll start removing any other flaws that we see, cutting it with razor blades, then re-silicone all the edges, and then we'll start to put the windows back on.
Para poner luces, porque
Empieza a sacarla, deja a Sergio que lo pinte así, pero dile que tiene que guardar el mismo color poquito para que lo pinte el molde después. So quita todo para dejarle listo para pintar.
Ahí está listo, ya solo para que me papelen. Ya lo lijé, le puse el cromo y todo ya.
Nomás quita el molde,
¿Cuál molde?
¿cómo se llama? El screw cover.